Sometimes your products need more than just a description. Maybe it's a PDF manual, a slide deck, or a document you want your customers to see. With EmbedAny, you can easily add these resources right into your Shopify product pages. The best way to do this is through the product description. Let me show you how. Go to Products in your Shopify dashboard and open the product you want to edit. In the description box, paste the link to your PDF, slides, or document. Here, I pasted a PDF link from my Google Drive. Highlight the link and italicize it, then save your changes. As you can see, the PDF is now embedded in the product page. Similarly, let me try using a link from Google Slides as well. We will now paste the link here and make it italic as well. Let me save it and let's preview. Perfect, it's working. EmbedAny will automatically convert that italicized link into a live, interactive widget inside your product page. This way, each product can have its own unique manual or resource embedded. With this method, you make sure every product page has exactly the right information without affecting the rest of your store.